Welcome. Thanks for coming back. Today I'm planning to do a galaxy pour featuring three planets. The audio is not going to match up to what's happening on the screen because I deleted it so that I could run the video in fast forward because I don't want anybody to waste half the day watching a 50-minute video when I should really have got this done in about 20 minutes. Um, but I'm learning and I'm slow and I made a lot of mistakes and I had to fix them and there's quite a bit happens in this video. So stick with it. I hope you enjoy it. The result is fantastic. I think it is anyway. I'm really happy with it. Enjoy. Okay, so what you're going to see here is a very good example of me making a mess of something. I use the hairdryer way too much and I overblow it. And as a new acrylic pour painter, that's my biggest failing at the moment. I just can't not do that little bit more blowing on it. But anyway, I persist with it. I make a mess, but I repair it, I patch it up, and it all comes good in the end. In a little while, you'll see me having to redo the planets, but that's a whole other part of the video because they just turn into muddy piles. Anyway, okay. And this section is where you get to watch me do exactly what I said. I'm going to use that hairdryer way too much. I'm going to muddy up some of those beautiful colors I got, and I'm going to have to redo the same section 2 or 3 times before I get it back to what I was happy with. Um, Not the best performance for my second video, but you know what? It's it's the journey, right? Look, I just completely destroyed it. I didn't even mean to do that. Um, Anyway, watch. I'll try to repair it and I'll make a mess of it again, and eventually I'll get it to where I want it. Okay. So I rocked out of bed the next morning, and this is what I found. The planets had completely imploded, um, totally ruined, looked terrible. Um, I decided the paint was still wet enough, and I took the decision to redo them, to clean out the paint from each of the planets and to repour. Um, I have a bit of a fail going on with that as well, and much like the overblowing, with this, I end up with a muddy, really muddy pool of a planet for the center one. I just wasn't happy with it, and I ended up cleaning it all the way out and redoing it again, and getting a nice pop. I actually think, yeah, I did. I edited out that really muddy one because it was just about trying to keep the video to a reasonable length. So you'll see me put in the planet that pops, thankfully. This is the test, and I actually know the end result, obviously, but it went really well. I'm so happy with how this came out. I was really, really chuffed when I got a look at it here. And unbelievably, my battery in my GoPro died at this point, so you don't actually get to see me do the other two planets, but I will show you the end result, and I couldn't be happier with it. It's fantastic. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. Like I said, I'm a complete noob at trying to do Galaxy Pour, but never mind three planets. I'm just so happy with it. Look at it, it's great. Look at the yellow colors, the white with the red edges, just it's just beautiful. I'm really happy. Um, Yay. If you like the outcome and the difficult journey, please consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. Thank you guys. Bye.